Hey guys, it's Shrek and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be vlogging again today. Let me turn my mouse on. So I had to catch up on watching Honey Boo Boo. If you guys don't watch it, you should. It's pretty good, pretty crazy. But yeah, so I watched that and then now I'm about to edit a video. So I had 2 videos ready, so this is the second one. I already finished the other one. I just need to like put a bio and make a thumbnail for that one. It probably will go out Thursday or Friday, so maybe. And Chico, don't do that.
Period.
Don't do it. My sister bought a new pool, like ones you could just set up in the backyard, and it's a pretty big one, I guess. I haven't seen it. Is it back there, Jade?
What? No.
The pool. Where's it at?
It's in the garage.
Oh, I haven't seen how big it is, but I guess it's pretty big, a decent size. So she's gonna come on Sunday and set it up, and then all the kids and everyone's gonna go in it. I'll probably go in it because it has been so hot lately. Bless you. That is very rude. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish editing this video and then I'll probably make dinner. You know, I always make dinner, and I'll show you guys that and what I'm making, because I don't know. I know I'm gonna do something with pork chops. I don't know, the side dishes and stuff, so we'll see when we get there. It's always Ashley and Chico in my videos. Ashley's the star of the show with her funny commentary and weird stuff that she does. So do something funny now. Anywho, how are you eating that?
What is it?
She just eats the cream. So my hair is back to natural.
Huh?
I'm just kidding. Yesterday's video, my hair is back to natural.
No, that's actually this.
Chico, get out of there. I was looking at old pictures and video, like the old YouTube video I did with Chico. He was so little. He was so tiny.
You want to
Oh, no, he can't have that. No. Ashley. Stop.
Ew. How does it not
Explain to me how that makes sense.
Okay, so this color's blue, right?
Yes.
What if my blue is your purple, but we call it blue because we've been taught it's blue. In school we're like, this is blue, so like, okay, that's blue. So, but you see it a different color than I do. But we call it the same thing because we've been taught.
Like you see the color purple, but it's called blue.
To me, it's called blue, but to her it could be called orange.
That's weird. Like she just made the name up. That just reminds me of like
What?
for every subject, for like every subject in school. Like, do you have a color coordinated like with math, a color coordinated with science?
What does that have to do with anything?
That's what
It's a
that's
different
what bring
topic.
me up. Yeah, it's just something new to talk about.
Red is always math, no matter what.
No,
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
not to me.
What color is that?
Blue.
Science is blue.
Science is like orange.
That's like language arts.
Language arts is yellow.
What other studies?
Social studies is green.
History. Yeah, I was in green. History. Social studies and history is the same. Exactly.
PE's purple though.
I don't have a color with PE. I just used to do
You don't
that.
have a PE notebook?
No. Because I would coordinate my folders. Ashley.
She's just eating with a fork.
I know.
Why do you have a fork?
Oreo.
Just scoop out.
Okay, anyways.
Stop.
Anyhow. Anywho. So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy recipe to do with a broccoli. My favorite vegetable. You guys
Ah!
do.
I don't want that for
You
dinner.
guys don't like broccoli?
Broccoli? No,
Not that
that's
one.
your favorite?
Broccoli is my favorite. And green
This is
beans.
lying.
It is right now at the moment. Broccoli is my favorite.
Cucumber is my favorite. How is broccoli your favorite vegetable? What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is probably strawberry. I don't know.
That's acceptable.
I like strawberries. You better not drop that for Chico.
If he wants it, he wants it.
Anyways, broccoli is my favorite vegetable at the moment. Actually, move. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. It's gonna be super easy for your cleanup. I always have people in the kitchen. I always have people messing up my videos.
You're never here.
And commenting on what I have to say. Okay, so you're going to cut your broccoli in little pieces like I did. And then you're gonna cut up some garlic. I have about that much. Put that on it. And then I have some avocado oil. You can use any oil, olive oil works too. You're gonna drizzle some on here. Okay, so these are the 3 seasonings to live by. If you don't have any seasonings, these are the 3 you should get. So garlic salt, seasoning salt, and pepper. And then I'm also going to put some Parmesan cheese on it.
Yeah. My mouth all dry from it.
Jay, shut up! You keep talking. Okay, now you're gonna mix it up. Broccoli usually soaks up all the oil, so sometimes you have to add a little bit more. I try to make sure the garlic too is like on top, because if sometimes when it's on the pan, it just like burns to the pan.
Period.
I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees and then cook it. I don't know, just keep on checking on it. I don't know how long it takes, like 15 and 20 minutes. It's really probably just 15 minutes because it cooks super fast. And I always put the foil too, because then it's easy cleanup. Okay, so now we're gonna start cooking the pork chops. So for the pork chops, you're gonna need flour. And then these are the pork chops that we got today. We're working with what we could find in the store during quarantine. So I have 2 packs of these, which makes 6 pork chops for the fam. So what I do is I put, I'm like thinking water everywhere. You put the flour on a plate, and this is what we're gonna batter our pork chops in. And before I do that, I'm gonna turn on the pan. I'm gonna move over here to the pan and put some oil in it. So I have regular vegetable oil, and I'm just going to pour some in the pan just to kind of fill the bottom of the pan. Just slowly, and then you're gonna have to keep this around because sometimes the oil like goes away and I need to add a little more. Turn that on. Let that heat up. And now we're going to batter our pork chops. Pour the flour. So we get these pork chops. These are the extra, or not extra thin, they're just thinly sliced. Here's the ones we use. So I like to wash them and then place them in the batter. And then don't worry, we season them in the pan. Trying to get it covered. These are some big pork chops. We usually get small ones, but I guess these are the ones we could find. And when you put it in the pan, you're just gonna shake off that extra. What? Okay, once your oil's hot, grab your pork chops. These are pretty big pork chops, so I'm just gonna do 2 at a time. You could definitely put it in more pans if you want to cook them faster, but I just do it like this. Now we're gonna take our 3 main seasonings: seasoning salt, garlic salt, and pepper. And I'm also gonna grab this. This is called Hog Rub from Kansas City Cowtown, the squeal. My mom got this in Missouri. I'm not sure where you could buy it. You're just gonna season it. right. Okay. This is what we got going on so far. So I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna put my oven on pretty high. I'm gonna put it on 8. Just watch it, make sure the oil doesn't burn, because sometimes I do have to turn it down when it gets too hot. But I like it to be crispy, so I'm gonna leave it on that side for about maybe like 3 minutes. I don't know, but I don't like to keep on flipping it. I like to let it crisp on one side and then flip it and let that crisp and then take it out. So yeah, I don't really time it. A lot of people don't time it when they do cook. Just like me, I don't have like a specific instructions, but I do leave it on there for like 3 to 5 minutes. I don't even think it's 5 minutes, probably like 3 minutes, and then flip it because it's on such a high heat. And then what I do is I grab a plate and then a strainer, and I put them in the strainer instead of just on the plate, because I've noticed it keeps it more crispy. I don't know, my mom started doing that and you notice the difference, so now we always do that. Yeah, let me show you that. I'm just gonna become a cooking channel YouTube channel. I'm just kidding, I don't wanna be a cooking one because I'm not that great at cooking. I mean, I cook what I can, but yeah. I do like my fashion and vlog videos. Alright, so I cleared out the space, and now let's get the plate. Alright, sorry, my mom has this big old air fryer right here, but you get a plate, put like 2 napkins, and then put the strainer on top, and then when those are done, you're just going to put the pork chops in there. And then I'm gonna turn on the oven for my broccoli. 400. Anyway, so these have been cooking for about 3 minutes, I want to say. Don't be scared, just be careful. They look nice and golden, that's what they should be looking like. And then I add a little bit of garlic powder on the back. Garlic powder, not garlic salt. We already put garlic salt on the front side. You don't want it to be too salty. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I made the pork chops, buttered noodles, and then roasted garlic. And I'm so hungry now. I'm gonna go grab me a Pepsi because this is gonna go good with a nice cold Pepsi. Do you guys still have Pepsi, Ashley? Ice cold Pepsi. Do you guys like Pepsi or Coke better? I like Pepsi better.
Dr. Pepper.
Ashley likes Dr. Pepper better, but I love Pepsi. I think it's because we kind of grew up on Pepsi and Dr. Pepper, because my older sister likes Dr. Pepper too. But my mom never bought Coke. But that vanilla Coke they have, it's pretty bomb. So I'm gonna eat my food. And then I'm gonna get a little hot sauce for my pork chop. Be good. I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. Period. So we are about to go on a walk. Conchico, you ready to go on your walk? You ready to go on your walk? Chico. He's not a big fan of like long walks. So we'll see how he acts. Otherwise I'm gonna have to hold him. But going with my mom and Ashley. I don't think Jade's gonna come. She doesn't want to. Alright, so let's go on our walk. Okay, so update. We are back from our walk. We just went around the block. We went on a walk and now we're gonna go get some ice cream. Yes, that was just a walk for Chico anyways. Mom's car's in the garage. And okay. Don't hold it like that. Why you hold it under your chin? Chico will be back, okay? So where are you going? We drove all the way over here to get some ice cream, and there's a lot of people. Look, you see there's another car that should have went in there.
That was the car that was waiting.
We about to get some ice cream. Went on a nice little walk.
I knew that trick, huh, Shreya? That's a good trick I had, huh?
What?
Waiting over there for a minute.
Mom, you're so dramatic. Yeah, so we went on a walk and now we're getting some ice cream because our walk was so hard.
It was so stressful.
So stressful, we need some ice cream. I'm
It
just
was
kidding.
hot.
It was hot actually.
And Jade was in the house.
I know, Jade was laying down so she don't deserve any ice cream. So we got our ice cream. Jade's trying to hide. Ashley, got your ice cream? Yeah. I got a half and half chocolate cone. What'd you get? Ashley, what'd you get?
Vanilla dip cone.
She got a strawberry milkshake, extra thick. We always ask for our milkshakes to be extra thick. Fun story. Kayla.
So funny.
Kayla went to Wendy's and asked for her Frosty to be extra thick. But the Frosties come out of the machine, so that's impossible. And her man was laughing at her, saying she's retarded.
When you edit that, put the awkward silence.
What?
The crickets.
No.
No one thought that was funny.
You sure did when I told the story on our way up here? You thought it was funny when I came up here? Alright, it's my favorite part. When we leave, Chico's always so excited to see us. Well, me.
Chico don't like you. Girl, I know you can. Chico, Chico!
Hi, Chico! Hi, baby! Look at Chico, he missed me. Chico, you're so excited! Hi! He needs a tent retouch. With his gray hairs on his head. And the reason sometimes I don't like taking Chico on car rides because he gets sick. He gets car sick.
Yeah, he be throwing up.
Yeah, and it smells
Nasty.
so bad. So I only take him on car rides when I like have to. But other than that, he stays at home. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!